how to take a screenshot of a whole web page. Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of the whole web page. Like you can see over here, I have a website over here, and I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of all of it. Because if, for example, we use snipping tool, like we see right now, snipping tools allows us only to take a screenshot of the screen, so whatever we see on the screen, or some part of the website or some part of the screen, like you see right now. So today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of everything that we see over here, or any other website you can find. So let's start. First of all, we need to copy the address to the website that we want to take a screenshot of. So if I want to take a screenshot of the main site, I would just copy this address. However, if I want to copy, for example, the whole page, that is this article, I would click on it. And then as you can see over here, this whole article is here, the whole website is here. And then we have to copy this whole link. So in order to copy this link, we need to select it like you see over here and then press Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac. Or you can simply also right click and choose copy. So once we do this, we click plus, and then we have to go to a website called web-capture.net. You can find the link in the description of this video or in the comments, so feel free to click on it, and then automatically you will be taken to web-capture.net. Once the website opens, it will look like this, so we need to scroll down over here until we see this part here, enter the URL for capture. So over here what we need to do is to paste our link. To do that we click Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac, or we can also right click and then choose paste. Once we have it, we can select force update if the website that we're taking a screenshot of changes quite frequently. If not, we can ignore that. Then on the right side over here, we need to choose the file format. Available format is, for example, JPEG, PDF, TIFF, BMP, PNG, PostScript or SVG. I would recommend JPEG or PDF. JPEG if you want a screenshot to be in a graphic file, or PDF if you want it to be in a document. So in this example, we're going to choose JPEG, and then we need to go down here, just ignore all those ads, and try to find button that says Capture Web Page. Click on it, and as soon as we do this, our request is being added to the queue. Sometimes there are few people before us, so we have to wait for maybe 15 or 20 or 30 seconds before the screenshot is taken. And as soon as it's our turn, as you can see, our link has been processed. And over here we can see a small preview of the screenshot. Of course, this is not the whole screenshot, this is just a small preview. And here above the screenshot we have three options. We can view the screenshot, download it as JPEG if we chose JPEG, or download is packed in a zip archive. So you can choose one of those three options, whichever you like. In this example, I'm just gonna click view. And as you can see, the screenshot was already showed over here. We can of course zoom it in, and as you can see, the screenshot of the whole web page is already taken over here, and it's already a JPEG photograph. And once we see this preview of our screenshot, we can of course right click over here and then save image as, if we want to save it to our computer, to any location we want, save or change the name. And that's it. In this easy way we just managed to capture a screenshot of the whole web page. Please let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!